Here's how to rename your Gmail account in PC. First, you want to open your Gmail and make sure you're logged in. Now you want to click on the settings icon and then click see all settings. And then you want to go to accounts and import. Now under send mail as, you want to click on edit info, which is next to it. And from here, you should be able to select this nickname or username, or specify a custom one. So we're gonna, for example, test this nickname and then click on save changes. And like that, you have set a custom name to be used in Gmail specifically. Now to change the name on your entire Gmail account, you will need to go to your profile logo, click on it, and then click on manage Google account. And from here, click on personal info and then change your name from there. I have another video in the channel on how to do that specifically. So you might watch it if you need to change the name on your entire Google account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.